Aerial Bridge, Edwin H Gott, mile and a half out.
Good afternoon, visitors. Right now, the Edwin H Gott is a mile and a half out, meaning the Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge is going to be lifting to its full height of 135 feet in just a moment here for them.
Duluth Aerial Bridge, Edwin H Gott.
I will start up for you, Cap. Thank you for the call.
Roger, thank you.
Good afternoon, visitors. Right now, coming through the Duluth Ship Canal, we have the Edwin H Gott. The Edwin H Gott was built in 1979 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 1,004 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She is powered by two 9,700 horsepower, 8-cylinder Caterpillar diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots or about 60 miles per hour. She is also equipped with twin controllable pitch propellers and a bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in What you guys just heard is known as the captain's salute. It is one long and two short blasts of the horn. The Edwin H Gott has 20 hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 74,100 tons. Above her deck is a 280-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. They're moving real slow. Real slow. If I had a guess, I'd say somewhere between 3 and 4 knots. 1 knot equals 1.1 knot equals 1 mile per hour. So if you're good at math, you can figure out how fast that is. It's like 3.3, 4.4. None of my business. The Gott was named in honor of a retired chief executive officer of U.S. Steel. She was originally built with a 52-foot self-unloading shuttle boom, which only allowed her to unload her cargo of iron ore pellets at Gary, Indiana, or Conneaut, Ohio. In 1996, she had her shuttle boom replaced with the largest deck-mounted self-unloading boom on the Great Lakes. And due to her engines, she is also the most powerful ship on the Great Lakes, rated at 19,400 horsepower. Once again, we have the Edwin H Gott coming through. They are on their way to load, or I should say fuel up, over at Cenovus. But if you see any crew on board, make sure you give them a big wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports.
Well, you heard her talk on the speaker there, how slow it was going. It is actually going 4 miles an hour. And the reason he's going so slow is there's no reason to go fast. He's just taking a corner and stopping at the gas station.